Hello guys! So let's talk about the book of Ecclesiastes. So Ecclesiastes is mangangaral sa Tagalog. By the word itself, mangangaral, so it's all about pieces of advice, lessons in life, and yung mga truths about life na we have to accept because that's the reality. One thing that they talked about in this book is the vanity of them all. Vanity means yung worthlessness, yung uselessness ng mga bagay dito sa mundo. Wealth, well, it's very cliche. Talagang alam nating lahat na hindi natin madadala sa kabilang buhay yung mga possessions na yan. Yung mga kayamanan natin. Wisdom, kahit sinabi pang wise ka, kahit gaano ka pa katalino, if it's your time to die, it's your time. Kahit ano pa yung maimbento mo to prolong your life, if it's the end of your time, it's the end. Your beauty, that's very shallow. Kahit ikaw pa ang pinakamagandang tao sa buong mundo, it will fade away when you age. Your health, kahit gaano ka pa kalusog, if it's your time, it's your time. You can't control it. Another thing that is mentioned in this book is there's a time for everything. And, well, I agree. So, lahat tayo, all of us, will experience sorrow. All of us will experience happiness. Diba, lahat tayo mararanasan natin yan because we are human beings. Kahit gaano ka pa ka-blessed, kung upright ka man or wicked ka, we will all experience that. Ang difference lang nun is, of course, if you are upright and you are a follower of God, you will be strong because He is with you. There is strength in you. You can overcome everything. And madami pa. So madami pang lessons or reality ng buhay ang nabanggit sa Book of Ecclesiastes. I'll just mention one last topic in this book. So sabi doon, those who fear the Lord will be blessed. And we all believe in that, especially the Christians. Dahil sabi nga nila, the joy of the Lord is my strength. Kapag ikaw ay nag-glorify kay God, syempre, 100-folds, 1,000-folds pa. So, if you are glorifying the Lord, that you are a true follower of God, expect that you will have so much blessings in your life, you and your household. Thank you po for watching. God bless you. God bless us po.